Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you 8 different ways to make money from Placeit.net. And if you think that Placeit is a marketplace that provides us with mockups to promote our designs and our products professionally on social media, I would like to tell you that you are inaccurate, because here on Placeit.net you'll find 8 different income streams you can make money through. So in this video, I'd like to share with you these ways quickly and simply. So let's get started. And here on the homepage of Placeit.net, let me show you an amazing thing here on Placeit. So go all the way to the bottom, okay, and to this section of license. Click over that. And here you'll find you can use Placeit to add, alter, and modify content to make a final design. You are free to create content for a client and sell for a fee. So here, this license is a commercial license that enables you to sell your designs. Everything here you can create and generate here on Placeit, you can sell it for a fee. Just you can sell it as a freelancer, as a digital marketer, or a designer, just for money, just for fee, okay? Well, so let's begin with the first way to make money online from Placeit. Just you can, if you are working on print on demand. So of course you can use Placeit to create designs, professional designs. For sure, here in Placeit you can make attractive designs for your print on demand in any niche, in any field. So for example, we can go to this one, designs, okay, and go to apparel and prints, and of course you can go to t-shirt designs. And here you will find a lot of t-shirt templates that you can use to create your attractive designs for your print on demand business. So you can upload these designs on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, and etc. As you see here, a lot of designs, beautiful designs that you can edit them easily as you want. Of course, you can search for your designs and your design templates according to events, occasions, situations. So if you want to make designs about Halloween, so we can search here in the left panel, Halloween niche. As you see here, you'll find feminist, Father's Day, gaming, funny, hip hop, horror, India. As you see, Halloween. So click over that. And here you will find a bunch of amazing templates to create beautiful designs for Halloween event, as you see. Perfect designs for your t-shirts, for your apparel, and your print on demand platforms, as you see. For example, we can go to the second page quickly. Perfect. So if we check out one of these beautiful templates, like this one, down of the donut, this amazing template design that you can edit to make your attractive design, your awesome designs for your print on demand business, and just you can earn from this design, as you see. So just we can change this vectors, this graphic, from all these graphics, or you can upload yours from here, upload image, and of course you can edit this text, font, color, and so on and so forth, and add another text and so on, okay? And when you are done, just you can change this background to transparent one, as you see, and just you can download this one with a commercial license to upload in your print on demand platform, okay? And just click here to download. Awesome, that's it. And now speaking on creating designs here on Placeit.net, and according to the commercial license that Placeit gives us, here we can use this design and you can sell it for a fee. So we can sell these designs as a freelancer on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Legit, and etc. And we have the commercial license to this design. So if we take Fiverr as an example of these famous freelancing platforms, so we can search for here t-shirt designs. Okay, so we can provide this service and sell our designs we have created on Placeit.net as a service on Fiverr and these platforms, as you see. You will find I will do amazing t-shirt and logo design fast. I will create any custom t-shirt design, and so on and so forth. All these designers are doing well on Fiverr.com. to sell their design. So you can use Placeit.net as a generator of your designs, your attractive designs according any niche, any field. Okay, perfect. And now go back to Placeit. And let's move on to the second way to make money online from Placeit, that is making mockups to promote your designs. Of course, if you are working on print on demand, you need to promote your designs and your products professionally on social media. Therefore, you can show off the beauty of your designs and your products by using professional mockups. So here you can find huge amounts of mockups to promote your products on your designs on social media. I see mockups for apparel, t-shirts, hats, hoodies, leggings, sweatshirts, sports bras, merch videos, and much more for digital, for MacBooks, iMacs, iPhone mockups, okay, for print, flyers, magazines, pokes, packaging, and much more. So if you want to promote your product professionally on social media, you can need Placeit.net. And when speaking making mockups and as a freelancer, you can make mockups for your clients and your customers. So if you want to go Fiverr.com, if you want to search for this service like mockups, okay, as you see, I will create digital product mockup and a cover bundle. I will do 20 different 3D realistic book cover mockup and so on and so forth. You can use Placeit to create these mockups with a commercial license, as I said before. As you see, I will design a realistic digital 3D product mockup in Photoshop. I will create eye-catching frame mockup for your image or photo, and so on and so forth for all products, from mugs, prints, pillows, shower curtains, bras, leggings, t-shirts, hoodies. You will find all these products mockups on Placeit.net. So you can use this feature for your own business, and you can provide this service as a freelancer on freelancing platforms. Okay. And now let's move on to the third way to make money online from Placeit. That is, you can make promo videos for promoting your products or products of your clients. And of course, you can find this feature and this tool on Placeit. You can go to videos and social media and promo videos. And here you can create your videos to promote your products on social media. And of course, you can provide this service as well on freelancing platforms. Okay, as you see. Perfect. A bunch of beautiful promo ad videos to create an attractive promo video for your product or for your clients and your customers, as you see. Perfect. And of course, they are categorized into some niches and some fields, like for apparel, for beauty, for boxing, for business, for cannabis, for Christmas, and etc. Okay. And of course, as I said before, you can provide this service on freelancing platforms. So if you go to Fiverr and right here, promo video, okay, I see I will create a commercial brand video or a corporate video, promo video for your app and website, and so on and so forth, as you see. So you can promote your customer products through a promo video just by using Placeit.net. Okay, and now let's move on to the next way to make money online from Placeit. You can make intros or outros for YouTube videos. So we can find this feature in videos and go to intros and slideshows. So you can find this one, intros and outros. So you can provide this service professionally on Fiverr and People Per Hour, Upwork, and so on. As you see, professional intros and outros of YouTube videos, as you see. So you can custom this intro or this outro professionally for your client just in few seconds, as you see. Beautiful intros and outros for any niche, for any field, for any topic. With glitch, with some effects, with logo, and much more. And now let's move on to the next way for making money online from Placeit. You can create logos. Of course, people are searching for logos anywhere to make a brand logo for their industry, for their company, for their website, and so on. Of course, on Placeit you can provide this service as a magic. So you can go to logos and you'll find a lot of categories like clothing, beauty, education, arts, finance and legal, food and events, gaming, healthcare, lifestyle and fitness, music and podcast, and so on. So you can go through any of these categories, like this one, clothing and beauty. So you can select this one, clothing France, as you see, and here we can type the brand name of your client, for example, Rico. Okay, and just apply. And you see here a bunch of amazing logos for your brand and your business name. For choose brand and so on and so forth, and of course you can edit them and customize them as you want, as you see. Okay, just in few seconds you'll find a lot of beautiful logos for your brand and for your clients. Okay, and now let's move on to the next way for making money online from Placeit. Just you can create business cards. Yes, business cards. Just with few clicks you can create a beautiful business card for your business and your client business. So we can find this feature and this tool on Placeit by going to this one, design, okay, and go apparel and prints and business cards, as you see, professional business card in any field or any business area, as you see. And you'll find here categories like for bundles, catering, coaching, coffee shop, design, dental, fashion, fitness, floral, florist, home decor, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see, to create beautiful business cards. So if you go together to fiverr.com to search for this service, like business cards, okay, as you see. Perfect, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, and all of these designers are doing well on fiverr.com, as you see. I will create 4 different business card designs within 5 hours. As you see, over 1,000 reviews. So you can provide this service professionally by using Placeit.net. And now let's move on to the next way for making money online from Placeit, that you can offer YouTubers a great service. That is, you can create attractive and eye-catching YouTube thumbnails and end cards. So you can find this service and this tool on Placeit. Just you can go to gaming and YouTube, and you'll find here these tools: YouTube end cards and YouTube thumbnails. So you can provide this service on Fiverr, Upwork, and so on and so forth, besides YouTube intros and outros. Okay, and the next way is you can provide the service of promoting a client brand or a company in the form of billboard, sign, banner found on streets and corners. And for sure this service is highly required on fiverr.com. As you see here, you will find this service: creative car and truck magnet, sign, outstanding signs, banners and billboards, billboard, yard sign, as you see, chop sign, billboard, roll up, signboard, yard sign, billboard, and so on and so forth. So you can create these beautiful signs and these beautiful billboards on Placeit.net. How to do that? Just to go to Pack Placeit and go to MOCKUPS, okay, and go to Promotional section. You will find to make signs, MOCKUPS, billboards, or banners. So we can select, for example, this one, billboards. Click over that, as you see, to promote and advertise client's brand and company, as you see. Perfect signs and perfect advertisement. Okay. And the final way to make money online from Placeit is that you can promote Placeit in your YouTube channel or your blog, and to be an affiliate of Placeit.net and earn commission for promoting this amazing marketplace. And now you have known all ways to create money from Placeit rather than making mockups and provide mockups for your clients. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.